Hello everyone, welcome to Tricks Bangla channel. In this video, I will show you how to active IDM free for lifetime. Let's start. First, download this software, IDM full version download. Link in the description, and follow the steps. Close this. Then install creck. Uh, Here are two type, 32 bits and 64 bit. Yeah. First, you must see what's your computer have properties. It's 64 bits, so I will install 64 bits. Here is 64 bits. Password. Here you need to input the password. The password is ithealthbeauty.com. It will be in the description. Okay, here. Now click OK. Admit. Click next. Install. Finish. That's it. The IDM now IDM is for the lifetime. See, registration is successful. Thanks everyone.